Okay, so your next element in your technique study, your hands have hit your blocks. You end it here in a plank. So what happens here is send your shoulder blades towards your hips. Release your knees right underneath your hips. Now you're going to alternate and you're going to send one arm and one leg out. We're going to stay on the same side and you're going to do 10. In 4, 3, 2, here we go. Push down, navel back, and that's 1. So here, the early learning how to push into the blocks, learning how to press the shoulders down, learning how to keep the active resistance happening while other limbs are moving. Let's do 2 more and 1 more, and hold this here. Try to find the active resistance, and then you would start the other side for 10.